In this video, you will learn how to sign PDF document on your iPhone step by step. Step 1. First of all, you need to save the PDF document on your device by clicking the share option, and from the pop-up menu you need to click the save files and save the PDF document in your device. But in case if it is already saved, then no problem. You need to open the file menu on your iPhone and then browse to the PDF file where it is saved. You need to click that and open the file. Once the file is open, I'm sure that you can see my mouse. Here you will see this markup icon towards the top right hand side. You need to click that. Once you will click that, so these tools which are you already familiar with the iPad and iPhone, it will appear towards the bottom. You need to click this plus icon, and once you will press this plus icon, you will get a pop-up menu in which you will get these text, signatures and magnifier. You need to click the signature and you will get this screen once you will press signature. Here you need to do your signature with the help of your finger. So once you have done that, you need to press this done, or then the other option is that you can press the tab and then upload the file if your signatures are already saved on your iPhone. So once this digital file is inserted, now what you can do is that you can drag and drop by clicking this icon to increase or decrease the size of these digital signatures, and you can also move this digital signature to the desired location. So do that by pressing these corners. You can decrease or increase the size and then drag it to the desired location. Like in my case, I have brought this signature at this contract agreement signature place, and once I am okay that the signatures are at a right place, I just need to press the done and my digital signature would be inserted. In case you have missed anything, I have put the summary at the end. In any case, thanks for watching.